Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't stop smelling it. Oh good heavens, that's delicious. Hi everybody, so I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we are actually, I can't quite believe what we're doing. We are diving in to the Lush Valentine's Day haul of 2024. Can we quite believe it? Honestly, no, I cannot. I feel like this year is going so incredibly quickly. We are mid-January. My 30th birthday is like right there and I'm just not ready for her quite yet, but we are diving into the Lush Valentine's Day haul of 2024. I have a big box of goodies. I usually buy the entire range. However, a few years ago, I decided, you know what, Melody, no, you do not need any more Lush stuff. So I just bought a little bit. £50 worth, but you know, let's not talk about that. So anyway, we are going to dive right in. If you guys haven't seen it, I did upload a video about a month ago kind of going through the entire range, so if you guys want to see my thoughts and opinions on the whole range, feel free to go and watch that. But these are going to be my first impressions, kind of seeing them in person, smelling them in person as opposed to through my screen, and I'm very excited. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. Also, can we just say Lush have got new boxes now. I don't know how long this has been like this because I haven't ordered from Lush since ages. Anyway, so this is really fun. Have I had a box like this? No, I can't quite remember. Anyway, opening that did nothing. I don't really understand how I get into my box. How do I get into this? Am I being stupid? Is it supposed to come up? Hang on, we're having issues here. Technical difficulties. Hang on a second. Oh, they've glued it. That makes sense. Oh my goodness. Oh. We got there in the end. That was a mission. Anyway, so the first item I picked up from the range, you guys know I had to get my hands on, and that is the Posh White Chocolate and Rose body wash. Now, I am a big fan of the normal Posh chocolate, which is so delicious. As soon as I heard they were bringing this out, I absolutely knew I was going to put this in my basket. So this says a classic Valentine's pairing, chocolate and roses, guaranteed to make your lovers swoon. Ingredients wise in this one, you have got organic aloe vera gel, rose water, coconut milk powder, sandalwood oil, vanilla absolute, cocoa butter. It just sounds delicious, so we're gonna have to dive in and see what it looks like. I feel very excited about it. Ooh! Oh, that's cute. Oh my god, I can smell it already. Oh good heavens, that's delicious. Wow, okay. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like because it looks absolutely incredible. So this is what the inside of it looks like. It looks so beautiful. I am going to guess that all of this kind of decoration is just on the top. So if you don't want that in the bath, or if you have more sensitive skin, you can kind of scoop around that. But that smells so good. Okay, let's try and describe it. Creamy, slightly floral, but very mild. It just smells very sweet and creamy, almost like a more vanilla-y version of Soft Cur, like that kind of smell. Absolutely delish. Wow. Okay, so that, I'm floored. Incredible. Price wise, this one retails for £10, so it is definitely more on the luxury, more expensive side of things. However, the smell of this, the sound of this, I know I'm gonna love it, but I am gonna be using it sparingly. So that is the first item I got, and I cannot wait to dive in to use that. It smells incredible. The next item I picked up was a solid soap, and if you guys know me, you know I don't need any more solid soaps. I have a drawer full of solid soaps. However, when I saw this was coming out, I just knew I had to get one because he is so cute. So this is what he looks like. This is the My Little Chia Piglet soap. They retail for £6 each, and he's just so cute. Look at his cute little nose. I just can't even cope with it. He is so adorable. Fragrance wise, am I underwhelmed? Like a tiny bit. It smells really good, but it just kind of smells like soap to me. I'm going to read the ingredients though to see what's inside. So ingredients wise in this one, we have got soya milk, cocoa butter, coconut oil, castor oil, olive oil, chia seeds, vanilla, that went up my nostril then. Essentially, this is kind of like an exfoliating soap, which I do love. I love a good exfoliant. I just feel like I expected it to smell, I don't know, like a little bit stronger, maybe similar to like Miranda soap, or imagine Maypole soap. Oh my god, that one was so good. Would have been delicious. It is a very nice smell. It's got a very subtle, fruity, clean smell to it. Like, it smells delicious, but I kind of expected a little bit more, not gonna lie, but it is really good. Would I buy another one? Probably not, but I would recommend going and smelling it because it might be your cup of tea. I don't know. It's just not as overpowering as I would like, you know? Now, the next item is something which, if you guys watched my Valentine's Day kind of reaction collection video, you will know that when I saw that this was coming out again, I wasn't overly excited about it. I wasn't planning on getting any. However, when I placed my order online, I didn't want to pay £4 delivery. So instead I paid still £4 and I got this instead. So this is the Passion Fruit Delight soap, which is essentially like a kind of marshmallow textured soap. You can use it as a whole, you can break pieces off. I would highly suggest breaking pieces off because once this is wet, it kind of goes mushy and a little bit kind of unusable, so breaking it off is much easier. I will say this smell is absolutely delicious. I kind of wish that this soap smelled like this because this smells really good. It is so passion fruity, mouth-watering, like tropical smelling. It's absolutely delicious. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got granulated sugar, agar gel, I can't stop smelling it, fresh passion fruit juice. You also got Litsi Kubea oil, orange oil, buchu oil, and price wise this one is, let me just have a look, £3.60 for 36 grams. So this is a very lightweight soap. It's not, you know, it literally weighs nothing, so you get a really good chunk for kind of the amount, I think. But this smells absolutely incredible. I'm actually really glad that I picked this up now because the smell alone is enough to make me love it. So that's the third item I got, and essentially bought it just to save myself paying postage, so I'm not mad about it. The next item I picked up was a bath bomb, and this is the Whispering Heart bath bomb. I absolutely love the two colours of this one. I think it's such a kind of bright, vivid Valentine's Day sort of colour selection. I absolutely love it. So colour wise, as you can see, this one is a really beautiful like hot pinky lavender, and then it has a really lovely kind of reddish pinky kind of hot peach colour in the middle. It's so cute and I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to smell it. I am so excited. So ingredients wise in this one, we have got cornstarch, Epsom salts, perfume, Brazilian orange oil, and I think that is pretty much it. This one also retails for £6, which I think is a generic sort of price for bath bombs these days, so I'm not overly mad about it. Oh my god. Is this Nevermind the Ballistic scented? Because it smells like it. This smells absolutely incredible. It is so kind of citrusy, zingy, fresh, tropical. Oh, that is absolutely delicious. I cannot wait to see what's inside because I kind of hope there's some like other colours inside, but that is hands down the best thing I've smelt, so definitely pick one of those up. I would highly recommend. Smells delish. The next item I picked up was a bubble bar, and this is the BFF bubble bar. I believe this one retails for £7, and I would say that this one is sort of quite reasonably priced. It's a similar size to the Comforter, I think maybe in weight, so you could easily get 4 baths out of this. This has that smell that I am not keen on, and I cannot even describe to you the undertone of it that kind of makes me feel a bit funny. It's Butterball scented. You know how Butterball has that like twang, like it has like a, can't even describe to you. Please let me know down below if you feel the same about it. It has like a sharp, like kind of heady note to it. That is what this smells like. This smells like Butterball. I do really like the design, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I love the glitter on this. I think it's so beautiful. It's such a nice touch. It would make a beautiful gift. Do I love the smell? Not really, no. I think it's just a little bit plain for me. I know that some people don't like strong scents, so if you don't, you would really, really enjoy this. It just kind of smells cocoa buttery, but it's got like a twangy smell to it, which I can't pinpoint. But ingredients wise in this one, it has got cocoa butter, ylang ylang oil, cornstarch. That's pretty much it. It's a very, very simple fragrance. If you've smelt Butterball, you will know what this smells like, but I'm a little bit disappointed, I'm not gonna lie. I thought it would just smell a bit more, I don't know, like if it smelled like yuzu and cocoa, I would be all over it, but not obsessed with the smell, not gonna lie. Did I say this was £7? It's £7. I can't remember if I said, but not overly bad priced. I'm just not obsessed with the smell. The next item is the shower gel from this range, and I'm not gonna lie, I am a little bit gutted that Prince Charming didn't come back. I love Prince Charming. It is such a nostalgic scent for me, so I was a little bit upset that it wasn't coming back. But this is the Passion shower gel. Firstly, can we talk about the colour? I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it properly, but it's a really beautiful, like, iridescent red colour. It is so pretty. I love the fact that it's got the shimmer kind of running through it. It is absolutely beautiful. I love that. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got red rose petal infusion, fine sea salt, fresh passion fruit juice, butchul oil, litsi oil and orange oil. I cannot wait to smell this. I have a feeling it's going to smell amazing. Wow. I wish you guys could smell this. This smells incredible. I feel like I've smelled that though. It's so good. For a pot this size, it did cost £8. I'm not gonna lie, like, Lush shower gels are expensive, although I do find that such a little goes a long way with these. This smells insane. Wow. I can't even describe it to you. It smells, it's like a tropical, it's a very mouth-watering smell. Like, I'm salivating smelling it. It is so good. It's a very tropical, fresh, very like layered kind of smell. It is so good. If you're gonna get anything from this range, honestly, so far I would recommend these two. Maybe the Posh chocolate thing as well if you want to spend that little bit extra, but definitely these two. They are so good. Honestly, delicious. And last but definitely not least, we have the Big Squeeze Bath Bomb, which retails for £5.50. I think that, and it looks adorable. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it, but it's a really sweet kind of heart-shaped bath bomb, and it's two little people hugging. It's so cute and adorable. Again, I don't know whether I just said it. This one retails for £5.50, and ingredients wise in this one, we have got sweet wild orange oil, sweet wild orange oil, say that 5 times fast, my goodness, and juniper berry oil and carrageenan extract. Oh, it says a sour grape scented bathing experience. I need to smell it immediately. Oh my god, that's what I could smell. When I opened the box, this is what I could smell. This, it smells exactly how you can imagine, like a sour grape. I'm so, like, my mouth is salivating. Like, honestly, it smells like sour grapes. Like, if you go to America and you get like a sour grape sweet, we don't really have them over here very much, but it smells exactly like that. Oh, my mouth's watering. The grape Jolly Ranchers, that is what this smells like. Oh, it's so good. Delicious. I can't stop smelling it. Oh my goodness, that is so good. Wow. So that is everything for my Lush Valentine's Day haul for 2024. I cannot quite believe we have been there. We have completed it. It is done for the year. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I would love to know down below, what did you pick up from the range? What did you think of the range? And was there anything that you loved that you didn't think you were going to love? Or is there anything that you thought you were going to love that you didn't like? I would love to know down below, and I would just love to have a chat with all of you down below. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. I upload twice a week on this channel, and it is mainly bookish and Lush content. So if you guys like that kind of thing, make sure you subscribe. And that is everything. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.